In this tutorial, we will cover how to add lookups to your project. There are two ways of adding a lookup, either highlighting the column and clicking the Add Lookup button, or drag and dropping from the connection library. The preferred method is drag and drop. Drag the target onto the desired column to open the Lookup Properties window. Choose a name for your lookup. You can keep this as the default if you wish. Choose your target column to link the two data sources. If this is not correct, the lookup will not work. Now, ensure that the lookup data type is correct for your target column. Check that the credentials are correct, and then click OK. To add the lookup columns to your schema, expand the column in the data source and check the checkbox next to the column you wish to add. The lookup column has now been added to your schema map. To edit a lookup, highlight the column with the lookup and click the Add New Lookup button to open the Properties window. Make any edits you need, and then click OK to save the changes. You'll then need to add this back to the schema map. To delete a lookup, highlight the column with the lookup and then click the Delete Lookup button in the Data Source menu. Confirm the deletion, and now your lookup has been removed.